Types of elections in India. There are 4 types of elections in India. Executive, Union Legislature, State Legislature, Local Bodies. The Union Executive consists of the President, the Vice President, the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. In executive elections, the election for the President and the Vice President will be conducted. The President of India is the head of the state. There is no direct election for the President. An electoral college elects him. The Presidential Electoral College is made up of elected members of the Rajya Sabha, elected members of the Lok Sabha, elected members of each state's legislative assembly, elected members of each union territory possessing a legislative assembly. Once President is elected, he holds office for 5 years. There is no direct election for the Vice President of India too. An electoral college comprising of elected members of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and nominated members of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha will elect him. The Vice President also holds the office for 5 years. Legislature of the Union, which is called Parliament, consists of the President and 2 houses known as Council of States, Rajya Sabha and House of the People, Lok Sabha. Membership in the Rajya Sabha is limited to 250 members and up to 238 members are elected by the members of all the Vidhan Sabhas, individual state legislatures, and up to 12 are nominated by the President for their contributions to art, literature, science and social services, while that of Lok Sabha are elected through general elections. The state legislature is the lawmaking body of the state. The state legislatures of India comprises of governor and 1 house or 2 houses as the case may be. The 2 houses are known as the State Legislative Assembly and the Legislative Council. There is no direct or indirect election for the post of governor. Central government is responsible to nominate the governor for each state. The governor of a state is appointed by the President for a term of 5 years. Executive power of the state is vested in governor.
The State Legislative Assembly, or Vidhan Sabha, also called Sasna Sabha, is the lower house which is a legislative body in each of the states and certain union territories of India. In 22 states and 3 union territories, there is a unicameral legislature which is the sole legislative body. In 6 states, the Legislative Assembly is the lower house of their bicameral legislature with the upper house being the State Legislative Council. 5 union territories are governed directly by the Union Government of India and have no legislative body. The union territories, Andaman and Nicobar, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Ladakh and Lakshadweep are governed directly by the Union Government and do not have any legislature, while the Union territories of Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, and Puducherry do have an elected legislature and government. The State Legislative Council, or Vidhan Parishad, or Sasna Mandali is the upper house in those states of India that have a bicameral state legislature. Only 6 out of 28 states have a legislative council. These are Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, Maharashtra, Bihar, and Uttar Pradesh. No union territory has a legislative council.
Municipal corporations are typically headed by a mayor and deputy mayor elected from among the councillors and comprise elected councillors. The executive powers are vested in the municipal commissioner. Panchayati Raj, Council of 5 officials, is the system of local self-government of villages in rural India in which Gram Panchayats are the basic units of local administration. Currently, the Panchayati Raj system exists in all states except Nagaland, Meghalaya, and Mizoram, and in all union territories except Delhi. Sarpanch, President, is its elected head. The members of the Gram Panchayat are elected directly by the voting age village population for a period of 5 years. The Gram Panchayat President, also known as Sarpanch, often presides over the Sabha meetings. Elected standing committees operate in the Panchayat. Each committee, headed by a chairperson, comprises 3 to 5 members. Block level Panchayat or Panchayat Samiti is known by various names in India as Mandal Praja Parishad in Andhra Pradesh, Taluka Panchayat in Gujarat and Karnataka, and Panchayat Samiti in Maharashtra. In general, the Block Panchayat has the same form as the Gram Panchayat but at a higher level. Membership in the Block Panchayat is mostly ex-official. It is composed of all of the Sarpanchas, Gram Panchayat chairman in the Panchayat Samiti area, the MPs and MLAs of the area, the sub-district officer, SDO, of the subdivision, co-op members, representatives of the SCs, STs and women, associate members, a farmer from the area, a representative of the cooperative societies and one from marketing services and some elected members. Block Panchayat members are directly elected, just like Gram Panchayat and District Panchayat members. The Panchayat Samiti is elected for a term of 5 years and is headed by a chairman and a deputy chairman.